Lesson 2-14. I can use rounding to estimate the product of a 2 by 2 multiplication problem. In this first example, we have 24 times 56. In order to estimate, I need to round. So first I'm going to round it to the tens place because that is the largest place value. So I draw my arrow to the 4. It is less than 5, so I'm going to add 0. So 24 would round to 20. It is closer to 20 than 30. Let's look at 56. I underline the 5, draw my arrow to the 6. 6 is larger than 5, so I add 1. So 56 rounds to 60. Then I'm going to multiply. From my shortcut method with the zeros, I know I can just do 6 times 2, which is 12, and then I have 1, 2, 2 zeros. So my estimate is 1,200. Okay, in this example, I have 63 times 87. I'm going to round to the tens place. It is less than 5, so I add 0. So 63 is closer to 60 than 70. I underline the 8, draw my arrow to the 7. It's larger than 5, so I add 1. So the 8 becomes a 9. So 87 is closer to 90 than 80. Again, I can use my zero trick to multiply. 9 times 6 is 54, and I have 1, 2, 2 zeros. My estimate is 5,400. In this example, I have 39 times 48. I'm going to round to the tens place. 9 is larger than 5, so I add 1. So 39 is closer to 40 than 30. Underline my 4. Draw an arrow to the 8. It is larger than 5, so I add 1. 48 is closer to 50. I know 4 times 5 is 20, and I have 1, 2, 2 zeros. So 2,000 is my estimate. Now that I have an estimate, I can go ahead and multiply. So I'm going to take 39 times 48. I'm going to use the shortcut method. I start with the ones place. 8 times 9 is 72. I put down the 2, carry the 7. 8 times 3 is 24, plus 7 is 31. Done with the 7, I'm going to cross it off. Now, I'm going on to multiply my tens. It's a shortcut method, and I'm multiplying by 10, so I put 1, 0, because 10 has 1, 0. Okay, so now I'm going to do 4 times 9. Remember, we're really doing 40 times 9, but because we have our 0 right here, we could just think 4 times 9. 4 times 9 is 36. Carry the 3. 4 times 3 is 12. Plus 3 is 15. Add them together. My final answer is 1,872, which is pretty close to my estimate of 2,000. When I estimate, I'm giving myself another way to check my work. If my answer is close to the estimate, I am probably correct. If it is way off, then I need to go back and check my work or use a different strategy. Today, you learned how to make an estimate when multiplying a 2-digit number by a 2-digit number.